Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add music to Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and you want to add music to your Instagram stories, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app, and here very first I recommend you have to try to update your app to prevent issues. Once you have opened your app, just tap on the plus option in the top left. Select story from here and then select or capture a photo, or you can also tap on this create option to create a new story here. So you just have to tap on this album in the bottom left, bottom right, and you just have to select the photo which you want to add. So let's say I'm going to select a video from here. Here's a video I want to set. Once I have selected the video, tap on done option. Now on this page, you just have to tap on this audio or the music option here, and just select the music which you want to set. You can also get a preview by tapping on the music. So once you have selected, just tap on this next option here. So your music will be set it. Now you just have to scroll it to choose lyrics from anywhere of the song. Once you have done, just tap on this done option in the top right, and your music will be set it up. Now just tap on this your story option, and your story will be shared. So in this way, you can easily add music to Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.